Right, here we are again at Hallcroft, and lovely sunny day, quite windy, and it's the end of January, 31st of January, and I'm here on Moat. I've never fished Moat before, and I'm on peg 7, I think it is. It's right up in what they call the bowl, and this is supposed to be where all the fish are hanging out. So I've clipped up my lines. I've got both 2 rods set up. One's a method feeder and one's a just little hybrid feeder. And I've got some pellets, I've got some maggots, and well, let's just see how we get on. Brilliant day. Can't believe how different it is than just a couple of weeks ago. I was here and all this was ice. People were breaking ice. So should be good. Looking forward to it, and bring you back when I've got a bit of action and some fish to show you. Hopefully. See you later. Here we go, little skimmer. Perfect wee skimmer. Right, so I've caught a skimmer. I'm being pestered by these guys. I'm actually fishing right over by those reeds on the far side. Probably about a couple of feet off the reeds is where I've been told to fish. And do seem to be getting some bites there. Just a bit hassled by the swans at the minute. I keep having to dip my line under the water so they don't get the feet stuck in it. Anyway, it's good to be out fishing and catching the odd skimmer. So, come on you carp. It's a lively one. It's a really nice bream, carp. Really nice one. Yeah. Let's just have that one there. What a nice fish. Beauty.